What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. This is something I've been wanting to do for a while actually, and it has to do with up here. It's a roof spoiler, and I just got this yesterday and I'm pretty excited about it. So I went ahead and I unboxed it just because I was really excited about this. I've wanted this now for a while now, probably like I don't know, like a year now. Just never pulled the trigger till now. But this is a OLM carbon fiber roof spoiler. I believe it's the version 1, and this is something I actually offer on SubiSpec. So if you're interested, hit it up on Instagram and we can hook you up with one. You could also get an ABS, but obviously I'm going for carbon fiber, so decided to go with it. But other than the spoiler, you also get some double-sided tape, and what I'm gonna do is throw it on the back of the car real quick and line up the edges to see kind of where it's going to sit, and then maybe mark it with some tape or something, and then we'll make sure it's lined up perfectly. So we probably didn't need this last strip in the middle. Probably overkill, but there were 2 holes right here and here, and I just wanted to fill them just so, like, if water gets in there, just, well, eliminate the chance for water to get into there. So that's why I covered them up right here. I'm gonna go ahead and start peeling all of this off, and we'll be almost done the install. Alright, you probably don't need to take all the strips off. You can probably take like a little bit off, place the spoiler, and then pull it all out. I'm a bit of a risk taker, I guess. I like to just have it all ready to go and then slap it on. Yeah, this is just the way I do it, but it's worked for me, so I'll probably just keep doing it that way. I'm going to clean off the top of the window real quick right now, again, just because there has been dust flying around and stuff, and just to make sure we get good adhesion. I'm going to quickly just wipe it off, just make sure there's no dust. Just like lay it down. Don't like push it, just lay it down. I want you to push down. I'm gonna push down too.
I'm good to push down?
Yeah, push down.
Watch it just fucking snap.
Wow. Think it's cheap?
No, I'm just saying, like, the odds. You're just saying push and this isn't, like, supported, so. What, you don't trust my super strength skills?
No.
It doesn't look bad. I just like the smooth line.
It's
and
so
then
smooth.
No, it's not.
This is not even the aggressive one. There's one that literally like comes up like this much. Like it like comes up. This one's like low key. That's nice. Alright, that's the finished look. I love it. Her not so much.
I don't hate it. Maybe it'll grow on me.
We'll see. But there's a lot of carbon in the back now, in my opinion.
Carbon heavy?
Carbon heavy. It needs a little, we need to even it out, I think.
Well,
A little in the front.
soon.
Yeah, we'll see.
Hint.
Hint, hint. I think it's awesome. The OLM roof spoiler, version 1, in carbon. You could also get an ABS. Obviously, I have a thing for carbon. But yeah, I think it's really nice. Definitely worth the look. I think it adds a nice little low-key touch to it. Something you wouldn't notice if you didn't really look. So, I like it. Something I wasn't sure about is if we were going to see a bunch of tape up here. And if you look, there's nothing. It actually barely will obstruct your view. Now, I have to check with my Blackview camera. I might have to lower it a bit just so it sees everything. But I mean, the wing itself blocks a lot. But I think we'll be okay. But I do think I need to angle it down just a smidge. So if we just... it's fighting me. I'll play with this, get it all lined up, because I have to do it in the app. I can't do it and record. So I'll get that all fixed up. But it's nice to know that, you know, it's not going to be ugly and see gray tape lines. Just want to give an update. I checked the footage on the camera and it basically sees like that. So it completely clears it. You don't got to worry about it. It's really sunny, but if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. There's lots of videos I've been uploading recently, and I am hoping to do a lot more in the future. So I have lots of plans I could do and different videos I can come up with. So if you want to see more, stick around. It's going to be lots to come. Take it easy.